Hello everyone, I am Ben. Today we will be reviewing a new product from Asus ROG, and it is called Asus ROG USB BE92. So this is basically a USB Wi-Fi 7 network adapter. Basically, if you have a laptop, let's say that has an older Wi-Fi like Wi-Fi 6, 6E, and you need to upgrade to Wi-Fi 7, this is for you. And this is a package. What you get is, now this design looks very good, and you can basically USB. This is USB A. However, you can also use USB C through this. So what you do is you connect this to your PC. You put it like this. You remove it and put it like this. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So now let's look at what. Just a minute. Let me remove. Yeah. Now let me. First, let me put this and put this back on. Okay, now what Asus advertises is that this is compatible with Windows 10 and 11, so no Mac devices. This has 3-year warranty. And this is a tri-band router. It has a total combined speed of 6500 MB per second. When you combine 2.4, 5 and 6 GHz using the MLO, which is exclusive to Wi-Fi 7. And then each specific device, let's say, yeah, so 2.4 GHz supports 1200 megabits per second. 5 GHz supports 1800, and then finally 6 GHz supports 6500, but only when you combine. And let me put it back here properly. Let's see. Okay, put this over here. Okay, it's very simple to put it back and put the USB thing over here. Close it like this, and here we go. Here's the box. So now let's see, is this thing worth it? So this thing cost me around 159 Canadian dollars. So in US it should be around close to 100, between 110 to 20. And in my testing, I found that you don't get even half of the speed they promised, unfortunately. And the range is weaker than the internal Wi-Fi 7. What do you get? The chip you get weaker than mobile phone Wi-Fi chips, 7 chips you get. And because of the price and because of the low range and low speed, unreliable speed, to be honest, this thing is not worth, in my opinion. I don't recommend this. It's better that you get an internal chip for your laptop, remove it and plug it in. Or if you are using a PC and you want a Wi-Fi 7 chip, if you can remove from motherboard, do it, or get a PCI version, because PCI will have better range, in my opinion, than the USB one. And after this one, stick to the end of the video to check out my speed testing. So in my opinion, this is not worth it. Better not even buy it. Just don't even bother. Sometimes, see, Asus is a very funny company. They sometimes make one of the best product, but at the same time, they also make one of the most overpriced product. This thing, if it was, let's say, $50, would have been fine. But for $150, it's not even worth it. You can get, like, seriously, internal chips for $50 that does much better speed than this thing. Like, I had my laptop that had Wi-Fi 5. So what I removed the chip and replaced it with a Wi-Fi 7 chip and downloaded the driver, and that one is getting better range, and I'm getting close to 3000 MB per second download and upload on that in good days. In weekdays, 2000 Mbps, because Wi-Fi's are inconsistent with download, depending on issues with area, any what do you call it, any issues with air, like if too many people are using that same band or channel, the speed could go down. Yeah, See you for the next video. Please subscribe and share and like the video if you want to see more Wi-Fi 7 videos, and more reviews are coming. Next review will be most likely the Asus BQ16 Pro mesh band mesh Wi-Fi, as well as probably OnePlus OnePlus Pad 3 13 Wi-Fi sound test, things like that. Thank you. Okay, first, this is how my laptop with Wi-Fi 6E downloads connecting to a Wi-Fi sound router. Alright, now I have connected the Wi-Fi 7 USB device, connected through Type-C, disable the Wi-Fi 6E on my laptop. Let's do the test. So as you can see, it's not that different, unfortunately, from my laptop Wi-Fi 6E internal. Well, upload is better, but download is unfortunately not. Let's do one more time. Sometimes you have to do one more time and it may improve. So let's do one thing. Let's go here, select an automatic. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, slightly improved from the last one, but not that big of a big improvement in my opinion. Upload definitely is a big improvement, but download, unfortunately not. But next we're going to try MLO and see if there's improvement over there. Okay guys, this time I am using MLO. Now let's do the download test. Still same download results. What is happening? The Wi-Fi crashed or what? Okay, that was a disaster. Let's do a select automatic option and try that again. Yep, something wrong with the device. I will have to try it for laptop, it seems, and do the test again.